I love to switch my surroundings once in a while.
I am all about keeping it real, so nothing here is perfect.
Take my
So that is
hand.
exactly what we are
We're
gonna do
gonna
today.
go
It
to
is time
Central
to pack my
Park as
bag from the cafe.
friends.
And here's what I'm
Light up
taking
blue
with me.
sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk
And my
about
go-to
our
order is
daydreams. Hey, it seems we're
so
kind
yeah,
of
I'm very
alive.
excited to try this out.
Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tarasha and I make lots of productivity and lifestyle content. On this channel, I share my mornings, my routines, real life slumps, motivational talks and maybe a little shopping haul here and there. Because let's be real, we all need those little pick-me-ups. I am all about keeping it real, so nothing here is perfect. Just my day-to-day life, and hopefully you'll find inspiration and comfort in it all. If you wanna vibe with someone who's figuring it all out as they go, hit that subscribe button and let's hang out together. Anyway, good morning and happy Friday. It's a little over 6:30 a.m. and I got up early. I've been trying to get into better routine and I wanted to take you guys along a day in my life. So yeah, let's get this day started together. So the first thing I am doing this morning is drinking my three seeds water. So it has coriander, cumin and fennel seeds. I know it sounds a little odd, but it has so many benefits. Like the cumin and the fennel are so good for your digestion and the coriander helps in detoxing your body. So yeah, I'm gonna sip on this now. So now that I've had my seeds water, it's time to refill my vitamins case because I've been terrible at taking them for the past couple of months and I really want to get back on track, and refilling this case really helps me with that. So I'm gonna quickly refill my vitamins for the week. Alright, so this is done. I don't know why I always forget to take them and I really want to get back on track. So putting my vitamins in this little case keeps me on top of it. Don't judge me guys. I know I'm not the only one struggling to remember these. Alright guys, I've had my breakfast now. I had poha. I think it is so comforting and light. I love it for breakfast. And usually after getting ready for the day, I make myself a cup of coffee. But I'm not gonna do that today because today I'm gonna head out to a cafe to work. Okay, so here's the thing. Since I am self-employed, I work a lot from home and I love to switch my surroundings once in a while. So that is exactly what we are gonna do today. I'm gonna head down to a Starbucks near my place and I think I'm gonna sit there for a good 3 to 4 hours because I have a long vlog on my hands that I need to edit, and I also need to work on some Excel stuff for AB. So I recently did a what I spent in a week living in Gurgaon vlog, and it's 6 to 7 days of footage that I need to cut and create a vlog out of. So I need to be productive. I'm gonna grab my stuff, get out of the house and change my energy for the day. Alright guys, it is time to pack my bag for the cafe. So I have decided on this handbag. I used to take it to work. It is giving corporate, but we're gonna make use of it. And here's what I'm taking with me. My laptop. I'm gonna take my journal, pen, a notebook. The lipstick I'm wearing today, I cannot leave without it. This is MAC Velvet Teddy. An extra battery for the camera. Guys, I was just about to leave and I remembered that I did not put my earphones in my bag. So I'm gonna quickly do that. I have 2 earphones and none of them are fully charged. So I think I'm gonna grab a charger as well. But let me put them in the bag first before I forget. Okay. Alright guys, my coffee is here and my go-to order is an iced cafe latte with less ice, soy milk or almond milk and half pump of classic syrup, and that is what I got today. And I also got it in dark roast. I absolutely love a simple latte. It is an essential for me at this point of time. So I'm gonna dive into work and I will see you guys in a while. Okay, so I just got back home after a solid 4.5 hours of a work session at the cafe. I don't know about you guys, but when I am at a cafe, I feel like I get so much done. There is something about being surrounded by people, but still kind of in your own little zone. I was super productive today. I knocked out some big tasks and made some good progress. I am feeling really good about it. So I came back home, took a Myntra order, and I wanted to open it with you guys. So I ordered a matching set. I did return a pair a couple of days ago because I did not like the quality of the fabric at all. And I don't know guys, I am at a stage where I just can't compromise with the quality. I'm not into hoarding stuff, so I'll not buy anything for the sake of a trend. So I had to unfortunately return it because the quality wasn't up to the mark. but I'm hoping that this set would be a little bit good. Okay. Okay, this feels a little better. So this is a green set. It is a long sleeved shirt with matching shorts. If this fits me well and if I like the quality once I wear it, I think I'm gonna save myself from all the misery of online orders, and I'm just gonna order a bunch of colors in this one. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try this out, and it is almost 4 p.m. right now. I think I'm gonna work for a little bit more and then I'm gonna call it a day. I have a pretty relaxed Friday evening planned. I'm not gonna cook anything today. Me and AB are planning to have drinks and we'll just order some takeout and that's it. But let's see how the day goes. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in a while.
I got nothing in my head, but I think that I'm fine. I've been dreaming of my bed, but I can't get through the night. I got nothing in my chest, but I'm feeling so alive. Don't remember what you said, but it's killing me tonight.
I just had a little snack, some papaya while working. Also, I've been loving having fresh flowers on my desk lately. They just make the space feel so much brighter. I mean, look at these. Also, I got this vase from H&M and I feel like it adds such a nice touch. Honestly, having flowers around makes such a difference in my mood.
I got something in my head, think I'm losing my mind. I've been dreaming of my bed, but I can't get through the night. I got nothing in my chest, but I'm feeling so alive.
So guys, I meant to show you this magnetic whiteboard in the morning, but I totally forgot. So I got it yesterday from Mr. DIY and I absolutely love it. And I think it will come so much handy while meal planning. I am super excited that my meals, like my breakfast, lunches and my dinners will be super sorted because I can have everything here. I already have my meals written down for Friday, Saturday, and all the ingredients that I have in my fridge that I can use up. It also comes with a notepad which is attached. You can write down your grocery list, and it also comes with a black marker to write on the board with a duster. I am obsessed. Like, obsessed is an understatement, and I'm really excited to make good use of it. While coming back from the cafe, I stumbled upon this bakery. Like, it is new for me. It is Wackers and I got a couple of things. So I got this focaccia bread and I'm gonna tell you why I got this in a minute. And apart from it, I got lavash. I think I'm gonna enjoy this with some hummus tonight. So the reason why I got focaccia is I meal prepped some fresh pesto from my garden. Yup, the basil is from my garden. It is purely homemade, and I have seen those recipes where you apply pesto on the focaccia and some mozzarella slices with tomatoes, and I really want to try out that sandwich. So I'll see if I get a chance, I will vlog it. Otherwise, I do want to try it out this weekend. Alright guys, so that was a little peek into my day. I hope you guys had fun watching this. I swear getting back into the routine, working from home and just finding those little pockets of joys like a good cup of coffee, planning your day sitting at a cafe makes a world of a difference. Let me know in the comments, how do you keep yourself productive? Do you like to go out once in a while if you are working from home? If you liked watching this vlog, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel out and I would appreciate it so much. And don't forget to subscribe for these everyday moments. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.